Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of FlagStar Bank, a prominent mortgage lender in the United States. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refinance, this review will provide you with all the essential details you need to know about FlagStar Bank's mortgage options and services. So, let's get started. FlagStar Bank is a well-established financial institution that offers mortgage loans across all 50 states. They have a robust presence with retail home lending offices in many states and cater to a wide variety of borrowers, from first-time buyers with limited income to those seeking large mortgages. FlagStar Bank boasts over 600 combinations of mortgage options, including jumbo loans up to $3 million and cash-out refinancing up to $2.5 million on a traditional jumbo loan. Additionally, they offer the FlagStar Advantage program, which includes non-qualifying mortgages with loan limits up to $3 million. One of the key advantages of FlagStar Bank is the range of term lengths available. Besides the standard 15 and 30-year terms, they offer non-standard terms of 8, 12, 22, and 27 years on certain mortgages. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial for borrowers looking to tailor their mortgage terms to their specific financial situations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of choosing FlagStar Bank as your mortgage lender. On the positive side, FlagStar offers a wide variety of mortgage types, including low down payment loans and construction loans. They provide a free hybrid e-close solution, allowing borrowers to complete most of the closing process in advance on their mobile device or computer. Another benefit is that there is no minimum loan amount for their conventional and government loan products. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Borrowers cannot submit a complete application or lock rates online, and it is not possible to close entirely online. Additionally, down payment assistance is only available in certain areas of the country. FlagStar Bank offers an extensive array of mortgage loans, ensuring that most borrowers' needs are met. These include conventional loans, conventional cash-out refinance loans, Fannie Mae Home Ready, Fannie Mae Refino, Fannie Mae Home Style Renovation, Freddie Mac Home Possible, Freddie Mac Homeown, and Freddie Mac Refi-Possible. They also provide high balance or super conforming loans, VA loans, VA-IRL, jumbo loans, jumbo one close construction loans, one close construction loans, FHA loans, FHA streamline refinance, FHA cash out refinance, FHA 203H disaster recovery, FHA $100 HUD repo, FHA 203K renovation loans, housing finance agency loan programs in 11 states, USDA loans, and HELOCs. Additionally, they offer 5/6, 7/6, and 10/6 SOFR indexed adjustable rate mortgages on some conforming and super conforming loan products. This means the rate adjusts every 6 months for the rest of the loan's 30-year term after the initial fixed rate period of 5, 7, or 10 years. FlagStar Bank also offers several Specialty and Community Reinvestment Act loans with flexible qualifications, lower down payments, or no down payment at all. In addition, FlagStar accepts conventional loan applications from non-US citizens with a valid taxpayer ID number and legal presence in the US. One significant advantage for borrowers is that FlagStar Bank does not have a minimum loan amount for their conventional and government products. This is particularly helpful for those looking to buy or refinance less expensive homes. However, for their Advantage loan products, the minimum loan amount ranges from $100,000 to $150,000. Regarding loan maximums, FlagStar offers jumbo loans up to $3 million, jumbo cash-out refinancing up to $2.5 million, and VA loans up to $4 million. These are relatively high limits, although some lenders might offer even larger loans. FlagStar Bank services nearly all the loans it originates, which is not the case with many other lenders. This means that if your loan is from FlagStar, you are likely to make your payments to FlagStar as well. They also service loans from other originators, so even if your loan is from a different company, you might end up making payments to FlagStar. The maximum debt-to-income ratio that FlagStar Bank allows depends on the type of loan you are applying for and other aspects of your finances. For most loans, automated underwriting software makes this decision. Maximums usually range from 36% to 50%, regardless of which lender you select. FlagStar may approve a jumbo loan application with a debt-to-income ratio as high as 45% and Advantage loans as high as 55%. Most lenders charge fees, and FlagStar Bank is no exception. However, the specifics can vary. FlagStar typically does not charge a loan origination fee, except for certain state bond loan programs that require origination fees. However, they may charge mortgage processing and underwriting fees, which can range between $995 and $1,695, depending on branch location. In addition, you may be required to pay third-party service charges such as appraisal, recording, title insurance, and notary or closing fees. These fees will vary based on property location. Most lenders also charge for appraisals and other services that are part of your closing costs on a mortgage. With any lender, you will be able to evaluate the fees for your specific loan on your loan estimate before you commit, and there will be certain mortgage services you can shop for to look for lower fees. For no additional fee, FlagStar Bank will lock your rate for 30 to 90 days, with some restrictions. A company representative said FlagStar also offers the option to lock in your interest rate while shopping for your home, again with some restrictions, and will extend rate locks whenever possible. Although you cannot lock your rate online, FlagStar does offer a float-down option with an adjustment to current market pricing that may entail an additional fee. This option means that if interest rates drop after you lock, you may be able to secure a lower rate. FlagStar Bank does not charge prepayment penalties or monthly payment fees. You can start a mortgage application online with FlagStar Bank, but you must work directly with a loan officer to choose your loan type and pricing and complete the rest of the application. However, you can upload your supporting documents, such as bank statements and pay stubs, to expedite the application process. Submitting this information before you shop for a home allows you to get a verified approval letter from an underwriter who has reviewed your finances. Plus, it demonstrates that you are a serious buyer. You can also close online via FlagStar Bank's hybrid e-close solution. This free service saves you time on closing day, allowing you to do most of the closing in advance on your mobile device or computer by downloading and reading through your entire closing package on your own schedule. FlagStar lets you start a pre-approval online or via an interview with a FlagStar loan officer. However, borrowers will need to fill out an application and submit supporting documentation for review by a FlagStar underwriter. Once you apply, the company can underwrite your loan in as little as 24 hours if you provide the required documentation when requested, but it may take longer depending on home appraisal turnaround times. FlagStar Bank says the typical time to close a conventional loan is about 30 days. Of course, that time frame can vary based on loan complexity, and a faster timeline may be possible if you promptly supply all the documents required for underwriting. FlagStar provides a variety of mortgage options, more than many other lenders offer. Choosing a different loan product or applying for down payment assistance, if it is available in your area, might help you get approved. Still, it is possible you will need to work on improving your credit score, eliminating debt, or raising your income to qualify if your mortgage application is denied. Taking these steps can boost your approval odds and help you secure a better rate. If you are turned down, FlagStar can also provide contact information for homeownership counseling programs. These programs can help you address any credit issues, identify down payment assistance programs, and put together a plan for purchasing a home in the future. FlagStar Bank scored well below the industry average for customer satisfaction on J.D. Power's 2022 Mortgage Origination Survey. The company scored 837 out of a possible 1,000 points, where the industry average was 851 points. FlagStar also had more than the average number of complaints lodged with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which tracks customer complaints. However, this is not unusual for larger lenders. When evaluating mortgage lenders, we analyze data from the 20 largest U.S. mortgage lenders by volume, including but not limited to APRs, fees, monthly payments, credit requirements, and customer satisfaction scores. FlagStar Bank is a solid choice for many homebuyers, especially those seeking flexible loan options and terms. With a wide range of mortgage products, no minimum loan amount for many products, and innovative e-closing solutions, FlagStar can meet various borrower needs. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your specific financial situation before making a decision. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.